Hi everybody, it's 5:28 and 32 seconds on June 20th. This is mini number 1 for the Spider-Man slabs 107 and 114. Over here are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to automatically get assigned the first 7 open spots, which are 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 17. Whoever comes in second automatically gets assigned the next 3 available spots, which are 20, 22, and 23. So let's get this show on the road. Number's only 6, and away we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's the final one. 6. Will Lehman comes in first. Tom Malice comes in second. Congratulations, guys. Time is 5:29 and 30 seconds.